everyone, welcome back to DesignCafe's YouTube channel. I'm Ananya Jois, interior architect. Now if you're a homebody like me or just do not have the energy or the time to head out with your special someone for date night, fret not, we're here for your rescue. Today's video is all about a simple DIY movie night setup which you can easily recreate with your loved one with the things that are available at home. Stay tuned till the end of the video and let us know what you think. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon.
So I've decided to do this in a living room setup, and here's how it looks. Before starting, I got rid of the center table to make space. Next, I'm adding a blanket. Now remember, the best way to create a snuggle spot for you and your loved one is by finding the coziest and the softest blanket or throw that you can find at home. Next step is the easiest and the most fun step. Throw around pillows of all sizes. Pile them up on the floor or one top of the other. Serve fun snacks like strawberry milkshake, cheese popcorn, heart-shaped cookies. Now I prepared a quick snack bar here with all of the munchies that I could find. But make sure to place all of these in a sturdy tray or a small stool so that it doesn't topple over and make a mess. If you're the artistic kind, go the extra mile and make an invite. This should definitely impress your partner. Add some potpourri and finally light some scented candles to set the mood. Make sure they're inside jars, this way if it falls the fire will go out and avoid any kind of mishap. There we have it, a movie night setup.
Oh well, what better way to connect with your loved one without stepping a foot out. You can redo the setup in your own living room, entertainment room or even the bedroom. And hey, tag our Instagram handles in your story so we do get to see your creation. If you're looking for home interiors, you can click on the link in the description box below for a free design consultation. Until next time, this is me, Ananya Jois, signing off.